Hey everybody, how are you? It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks, of course. And you may say, well, Greg, you usually post on a Monday and a Thursday. Well, I'm posting today because of the fact it's been busy. And honey, I'm gonna tell you right now, it's hot outside. It's not product placement or anything, but I've been spraying this on today. It's hot here in Chicago and the Midwest and many other places, and so be careful out there in the sun. I've been away. I was at the ever wonderful and popular The Dunes Resort in Douglas, Michigan. So I always say Saugatuck, Douglas, but it's a beautiful area. I was there for the Rubi Girls weekend and hung out with friends and everything. Had a really nice time. And then I'm back again on Friday for this coming weekend for my ultimate favorite, Christmas in July. And I've been hearing some people that haven't been in a while are coming back. So that's going to be great. I'm not going to talk long today because I want to highlight the Rubi Girls performance and some pictures of the dunes so you can get a general idea. So wherever you are at in the world, you can see what a great place this is to visit and relax and have a good time during the summer. So that's basically why I'm showing you all this, to intrigue you to come to the Southwest Michigan to visit this. And it's easy if you're flying in. You can fly into Grand Rapids or Detroit, take a car, Chicago, anywhere. But if you're locally around, it's a great getaway for me. It's almost a 3-hour drive. I feel like I'm going so far away, and I'm really not. And it's a good weekend. A little exhausting on the ride home, I will tell you. But anyway, I'm just doing one post this week. I'll do another one next week of Christmas in July. Probably a lot more pool pictures and people and things like that. But I absolutely love it. And then I'll get back on schedule the week after. You know, it's July, it's the summer. That's what happened. That's what's cooking outside, and it's really cooking. So enjoy the video afterwards. I appreciate your support. Subscribe, like, and share. I will see you in another week. You know, give me a shout out. Share the video. Say hello. I like all the comments, and I will talk to you soon. So without further ado, enjoy the video I took this past weekend. I'll talk to you next week. Take care. Bye.